உலகெல்லாம் உணர்ந்து ஓதற்கரியவன் நிலவுலாவிய நீர்மலி வேணியன் அலகில் சோதியன் அம்பலத்தாடுவான் மலர் சிலம்படி வாழ்த்தி வணங்குவான்.
Good morning to everybody.
Dear young, energetic and vibrant students, I wish you all a very happy morning.
It gives me great pleasure to be here on the occasion wherein our trusts are conducting the Meritorious Awards function 2023 as informed by the Vice Chancellor for the first time.
We all are assembled here for the Meritorious Award function.
Organized by Karpagam Charity Trust and Karpagam Academy of Higher Education Trust. So
I wholeheartedly congratulate all the heads of institutions, of all 6 institutions, for successfully organizing such a nice function. Thank you very much, all of you.
Those students, first I congratulate all the students from our group institution, those who are being awarded today with the meritorious certificates.
Indeed, I am really pleased to announce the rank holders of various programs of Karpagam College of Engineering for the last 2 semesters.
A very warm and happy morning to one and all gathered here. I am pleased to stand before this wonderful gathering to propose vote of thanks for this Meritorious Awards 2023. Thank you so much for your kind support. Finally, I thank all the meritorious rank holders, students without whom this function wouldn't have been at this grand. And once again, I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.